All right, so using concept, we could do all sorts of fun things. We got those backgrounds going. Let's get something for boom, right coming out of the wormhole. We came across a preset earlier that I thought was pretty cool. Earth mover effects. Now, what's great about this, so you see these different LFOs, envelopes, mod wheel. Each one of these can control different aspects of concept. So the red LFO we can see is controlling the FM depth of both the oscillators. And if we click on it, we can see the controls and the depth that it's going through and at what speed. We have an envelope control that we can change for the filter cutoff and the FM ratio. Resonator here is being controlled, but using our MIDI controller mod wheel, we can control the resonance of the filter. And as we play our notes here, so let's go for this with our end of our wormhole sequence here. Let's see if we can get something cool. I think that works. Maybe get it to ramp in a little bit, pull down a little bit. I think this is going to help us out.